Yes. Good morning, my dear students. As you all know that in my previous class, I have completed the schoolboy poem, which was written by this William Blake. And today, let us go for this workbook, grammar. I think that in your workbook, you have purchased a workbook, and first in your workbook, this unit 1, first unit. In that first unit and first grammar grammar exercise will be regarding this articles. Then articles, today just with examples, let us see this articles. As you all know that in grammar, article plays very important role, and we should know where to use articles, and wrong usage of articles tells that we are not correct in this formation of what a sentence. So, it is very important to know and to use, when to use, that is essential. And article, as we know that we have two, definite and indefinite article. Definite article, what here? The definite article. Definite, that word itself gives, refers what meaning, means pakka, definite. So, here the is the what? Definite article. And indefinite article, a and an. So, indefinite. So, that is what here we can see, indefinite. In that indefinite, we use two, means not like definite only one word the is there. Here we can use in that what given sentence a or an. So, where to use an is very important. So, that is what here let us see today this article, and at the same time, after giving some explanation of this article and some means example, few example, you have to go through workbook, purchase new workbook, and see this first unit. In that article will be there, articles will be there, and go on doing that what exercises which they have given in your workbook. Another one thing, a simple logic. See here, definite refers particular. Just simple logic to remember. So, definite article is an article which refers to particular person or thing. Definite. Remember, particular refers to particular. Then indefinite. When we see this indefinite, an indefinite article is an article which does not refer See, which does not refers to particular person or things. So that we have to keep in our mind. Particular refers to particular, definite. Does not refers to particular, indefinite. Definite, the. Indefinite, what? A and an. Let us see here where to use a and an. So, let see what I have written here. See, articles, there are 3 articles in English, that is a, an and the. See, the or the we can pronounce. Usually word, for example, the after, if it is elephant, starting with vowel letter, at that time we have to say the elephant. So, we can use even the also. So, in a perfect manner, when the vowel letter is there after this article, definite article, the elephant, even if we say the elephant, is not at all wrong. So, we can say in both the or the. So, there are 3 articles in English, that is a, an and the. That is the what here in our English, 3 articles we can see, but a and an comes in the indefinite, the comes in definite. A and an are known as indefinite article. Indefinite article does not refers to particular person or thing. So, a and an are known as indefinite article. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಸೂಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ article. A and an are used before the singular nouns. Another one thing here, see, singular nouns a and an are used before the singular nouns beginning with what? Consonant sounds. Consonant sounds. We have 44 sounds, vowels, sounds and consonant sounds. So, when we have to use a and an are used before the singular noun, not plural, singular nouns beginning with what? Sound. Which sound? Consonant sounds. That is what here. An is used before a singular noun beginning with consonant sound. An is used before a singular noun beginning with what? Consonant sounds. So, some rules, see here, some rules are there to use. We cannot question. Some in grammar it is to be used. So, for example, look here what the spelling to be used. A spelling we can write. So, it is, see, for example, kernel, COLONEL, kernel. Pronunciation what? Kernel. Using what? COLONEL. So, like that here rules, some rules. Unnecessarily we cannot ask, put a question. Why? For what? We have to follow. So, that is what here. An is used before a singular noun beginning with consonant sounds. An is used before a singular noun. An is used before a singular noun beginning with vowels sound. A, E, I, O, U. What here? Sound. Singular noun. Singular nouns. It may be a or an. Used what? Singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. Then here not a here. In this, an is used before a singular noun beginning with what? Consonant sounds. Next point to be remembered, an is used before a singular noun beginning. Once again, singular noun, then beginning with what here? Vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. So, like that with a vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Next, if an, starting. Here, if an, what here? Initial, means starting. Consonant is silent. ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ if an initial consonant is silent, as in, see here, or honest, then has to be used. Honest. Silent, H silent, ಇಲ್ಲಿ O sound ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Honest, an has to be used. See, if an starting consonant is silent, as in our honest, at that time we have to use an as to be used. Next, sound has in European Union useful, then a is to be used. Sound has in, very important. Sound plays very important to decide which one to write, a or an. See, sound has in European Union useful, then a is to be used. Vowel, then because of sound, y sound, semi vowel, y, w, x, y, z, y sound. So, semi vowel ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ ಸೆಮಿ ವವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ European Union useful, then a is to be used. You can ask ಅಲ್ಲಿ vowel ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ, a, e, I, o, u, why we should not write an? So that's what I want to say. Semi vowel sound. Sound has in European Union useful, then a is to be used. Then example, you see here, an office, an umbrella, an idea, an hour, an honest boy, an orange, an historical. See, an office, Yes, there is no any difference in sound, so we can use an office, an umbrella, an elephant, an idea, an hour, an honest boy, an orange, an historical. See in this, okay, consonant sound, a cat, a one-eyed man, a cow, a useful idea, a useful idea. So that is what here a and an are used before the singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. You can see there you is there, but because of sound, a useful idea, a whole, a universal, an umbrella, you, we used what here? An umbrella, a universal, because of what? Sounds. So please remember, there is no other way to think in this indefinite article. Does not refers to a particular person or thing, but very important to be remembered which word to be written, a or an. So these are the what steps to be remembered to decide a or an. So that is what here, a universal, a cow, okay, this one is okay. At this time we cannot write an universal, there is a vowel, we can. So that is what here, these are the what here points you to remember, and you can if you remember, you can definitely write appropriate this what indefinite article a or an. For that purpose I am explaining this one, a cow, a cat, a one-eyed man. Oh, but a we have to use one-eyed, one leg, one what? One. Remember, wherever the one comes, think it that a will come. A one eye, a one leg, a one hand, man. So like that. So eyed man. What these are the what here? Points you to remember to write correct indefinite article, and we should not confuse writing this a or an. Be alert which this word to be written in that given blank. So that is what here. And another one thing, once again say, indefinite article is an article which does not refers to particular person or things. Then the definite article, see, the is known as the definite article. Definite article, the is known as the definite article. The is used. The is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Here countable and uncountable. The sky, uncountable, we cannot count, one sky, two sky. The sky. And countable, countable and uncountable. So that is what here, the is known as the definite article. The is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns, place, things, name of a place and things. So that is what here, uncountable nouns, countable and uncountable. Remember, the is known as the definite article, the is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. And one thing here, two rules. While deciding, while writing definite article, you have to remember 2 points. How we have read this. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೂಲ್ಸ್, 2 ರೂಲ್ಗಳಿದೆ. 2 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಜನರಲಿ 2 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ 4 to 5 rules are there. Here only 2 rules. Which one? A thing or person already referred to and is understood to be as such. Referred to, already referred. While reading, already, if that word means ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಓದುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ವೈಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಂಜಾ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್. ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದುಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ, ಎ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್, ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ರೆಫರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್, ರೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೋ already, to and is understood to be as such. Understood to be as such. So here example, let us go to the office. Knowing, not a office, the office. Here let us ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದ ಆಫೀಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ವೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, another rule to be remembered while writing: when a noun is one of its kind, only one of its kind, no other, no any compared, comparative, comparison. When a noun is one of its kind and it is unique, top, superlative, unique, top, then what here? One of its kind, then unique, topmost, toppest, like that. Here unique in a given context. So in that given sentence, if it is what? Unique. If it is only one of it kind, so at that time we have to use rule. Definition is different, rules different. We have to be remember definition as well as rules. So the darkest unique, the tallest, superlative, tallest, the longest. Whenever the superlative degree comes, that is what here unique, and we have to write it definite article. The darkest cloud had a silver lining. So, here the darkest what here? Unique, darkest. So, the darkest, the is what here? Definite article. The darkest cloud had a silver lining, a silver lining. So, that is what here we have to remember these points. Then start, you can start what? Writing exercises what they have given in your workbook. You purchase new one and do this what exercises what they have given this article. So, here definite article is an article which refers to what? Refers to particular person or things. Another two rules here: already referred, understood, ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, already referred, then what here? One of its kind, the sun, only one, the sky, only one kind, one of its kind, unique, means superlative, only one, no other to be compared. At that time, we have to use the. So, here particular refers to particular person or things. Then here indefinite does not refers to particular person or thing, but one thing we should be very active to write which one, a or an. Some points that you have to follow, and easily you can what? Write without mistake in your examination. Question will be asked from these articles. So, let us see some examples, then only you will be what? Perfect, and you can do what? Exercise. Yes, look here. For example, first one, dash, expensive metal. Then here dash is blue. Then have 1 year, 1 year old son. Then here honest men speak dash dash truth. Then fifth one, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is dash island. then I study at a small university in London. Then seventh one, which is dash longest river in India. Then I am eating dash apple. Then the Ganga is dash. So this is what here. See some examples, some few examples. See, gold is dash expensive metal. Gold is dash expensive metal. So here expensive metal. So many metals are there. In that among that gold is what here? Expensive metal. And already according to that some points we know that sound and what vowels. So here E expensive vowel sound. So for example here expensive, gold is vowel sound and metal, and expensive. So that some following that steps which I have given, you have to keep it in your mind, because deciding a or an is very important, and also sounds, singular noun with sound, singular nouns with what? Consonant sounds, that is very important. Now sky is blue. So there is no way to decide. So we know that unique, only one, that is what here? The sky. So in this example I told what, wherever this comes, one ear, one eyed man, one leg man, wherever one comes. So I have a, okay, it is there, but sound, consonants, vowels, and also sound, singular nouns, like that. Here I have a 1-year-old son. Honest men speak. So honest men, group of a particular men, understood that those fellows, already we know that, speak the truth. Sri Lanka is an island. See here. Next, I study at a small university. In London. So I study at a small university in London. Then which is, see this one, superlative degree, which is the longest river in India. Unique. In the definition already we have read that unique in that quality, identifying. If it is unique, so we can use what? Which is the, and also superlative here. The longest river in India. So, once again here A-E-I-O-U sound, and also I am eating an apple. The Ganga. So, particular river, the already used, the Ganga is, so many rivers, they are what here? Holy river. So, the Ganga is a holy river. Holy river. Pavitravadanta Nadi, a holy river. The Ganga is a holy river. I am eating an apple. See, an. Which is the longest? A small, an island. The truth. A 1 year, the sky, an expensive. So, like this, you should write it without mistake. Go through this video and try to understand those points, and whatever the exercises they have given in your workbook, then do it. Only some 3 pages. They are not given heavy number of pages, only some 3 pages they have given. And read first, understand, think it, and write it which article to be written there without mistake. Just simple. Here definite, indefinite. Definite, what here? Refers to a particular, maybe person, maybe thing. Indefinite, that indefinite, definite, indefinite. In that word itself we can get the meaning. So, indefinite does not refer to a particular person or thing. So, if you just remember these points, and easily you can do, and in my next class I will move another this grammar part. So, do it today itself. Thank you.